Before we get into this video, I wanted to let you know Miamiafboutique is a brand that provides women with the best swimwear quality that complements every body type. They have all different types of bikinis, 3-piece sets, multiple colors, and materials to choose from and more. What I'm showing you is not even half of it. I highly recommend you get yours now before they sell out. To purchase, click the link in my bio and use code LATEXLONEY for money off. This is the hair I will be using for this hairstyle. I just used leftover hair I already had. It's curly, so as you can see, I already combed out the left side. So I'm going to do the same to the other side. I initially started out using weave, but as you continue to watch the video, you will see that I decided not to use weave. I originally wanted to use weave because the front of my hair isn't long or full enough. Already pre-parted my hair off camera because I already knew it was going to be a shuffle on camera, and that's what it was. But right here I'm just cleaning up the parts. But yeah, don't know if you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but off of you rule my world. I even dream of you. Keep in mind I'm doing this on unwashed and unstretched hair, so basically I'm showing you what you can do if you need to do a quick hairstyle. But I can't see if it's straight. Y'all let me know if it's straight. See you all around my way. Been meaning to stay high, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this. Okay, so I'm finally done with that. Now I'm about to part my edges so that I can get them out the way so that I can slick my hair up. Okay, I already twisted them to get them out the way. I already had done the back off camera, as you can see, because I already knew that I was going to be able to see it. And yeah, check it out, inches. I ain't a bald headed. I ain't one of them. I was actually thinking about getting my hair silk pressed for the first time because I haven't gotten my hair straightened in about 4 years. What you want to do is apply a good size amount to your hair and spread it throughout evenly. Just complete those steps throughout your whole head if you want a sleek look. technique, I decided to try it. Just slick up your hair, then separate your hair into two parts, then insert the weave in the middle, then just add the rubber band. It could get a little messy because the weave sometimes get tangled. Vision of you when
too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly cry.
So like I said, I decided not to use the weave, and I noticed when I didn't, I got my ponytail to be slicker and tight, but you don't need to do that because you'll wake up with a headache. I already curled one to see how it would look, and it looked okay. This is my first time ever doing this, but I feel like it turned out so cute. And one thing I should have did was use less hair in the back.
If you even notice me, you gotta feel
thoughts. I hope you like it, but like this video, leave a comment down below, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn your post notifications on.
Don't know if you got it.